If you've been stuck in a cycle of frustrating, unreliable systems, you're not alone. We hear that story all the time. I call it Frankenchurch. Buying equipment to solve the problem of the moment without considering how everything works together. It's a real and unfortunate outcome. The good news, you can break that cycle. Our Foresight design process is built around your vision. We build a master plan that guides every decision from here on out. That plan becomes your roadmap, so you can make progress towards your end goal in big steps or small ones, all while staying aligned. When systems are well designed and fully integrated, they bring built-in consistency, reliability, and ease of use. No more surprises, no more workarounds. And from this point forward, every piece of equipment you invest in will not only work with everything else, it'll move you one step closer to your ultimate goal. This isn't just a system, it's the start of doing things right once and for all.